What up, YouTube? MHG here. I'm going to show you this boat I'm working on. It's I think it's a little over 8 foot flat bottom John boats. I end up having to redoing that rivet, and that hole don't go all the way through. It's closed in. I end up doing it on both sides. There was silicone all the way along here on both sides. I got all that off. I got some new epoxy sealer for the bottom coming in. Should be here today, so I'll get that coated. Gotta redo that handle right there. And I got some wheels I'm about to mount back here on the back. There'll be one on each side. They'll fold up like this, and when I'm in the water I can fold them the other way so they're not in the water. That's why I sliced my finger on. Excuse the mess out here, but yeah, it's these wheels right here. That little hole right there is where I sliced my finger open on. But yeah, so hopefully I'll get that sealed up today, and we'll go from there. Then I could work on a paint job on it, then start doing the inside. I'm going to do a camouflage paint job. I'm going to use cannabis leaves like I did this boat. That boat's a piece of junk. You can see where someone tried to do fiberglass on the bottom, and all it did was cause moisture in here, and those all rusted away. So I'm not gonna worry about messing with that one. But I wanted to come and show y'all my project I'm be working on. Hopefully it won't take too long. I said that epoxy will be here tonight or later today. Then I can get this bottom resealed so I can get it ready for the water. But you could tell this thing has been well used. It's actually been welded all the way along here, along there. But we'll see how it does. Hopefully it does good. Be bringing a lot of fish with this one. But I'll bring y'all back whenever I get the rest of it done. There's my truck. Still having little issues with that, but little by little. But we'll catch y'all on the next one, everyone. Y'all have a good one. What up, YouTube? Well, I got that bottom coated. It's actually 2 coats. I ended up ordering some more and just doing another coat just to have a little thicker coating around the rivets. You see what's already drying. But it still looked pretty good with the first coat, especially right around here, around the rivets, around the edge, because around this whole edge it was siliconed. So I just took off that silicone and used this epoxy. But it works pretty good. I'm happy with it. Now I gotta just clean up the sides and start working on the paint job and get the inside done. put a handle on for the end. But you could tell it was well used. Look at it. It's had some battle wounds, that's for sure. I'll give it a lot more. But next step will be pretty much getting the inside cleaned up real good and getting the wheels mounted. But I'll bring y'all back for that too. So stay tuned, everyone. What up, YouTube? Well, I got the bottom done. I got the back seat out. I'm gonna do some work on the inside, do some recoat this inside. I'm gonna get those wheels mounted on the back here, then get the seats back in, then do the paint job on the side, and it'll be ready for the water. Little by little, it's coming along. Got my handle, but little by little, getting closer to being put back on the water. Not much longer. It could take me longer to get the paint to paint the sides, because everything else I have. Whoa, I need to get this sealer for the inside. But little by little, hopefully in a month or so, at least about a month or two, I'll be able to get it on the water for the first try. I'll keep y'all posted. Hey YouTube, we're back. It's ready for the water. Get a handle for it. I just finished mounting the seats. The bottom has 2 coats of that sealer. I'll post a picture of it at the end of this video of what I used. But got both seats mounted. I got the wheels mounted. What's cool about these, pull that pin and they fold down so you can wheel it around easier. And when you're in the water, you just put it back up. But she's ready for the water. Afterwards, then I worry about doing a paint job on it. But she's ready. Hopefully be able to get it out in the water here soon and see how it does. I told my brother the first run on it, I want to do it solo just in case. So we'll see how it goes. But hopefully y'all like this video. I put together the whole little process of putting this together, getting it ready, should I say. But next video on this will be when it's in the water, everyone. Thanks for watching.